In this video, I will show you how to play Prominence 2 with friends. So in order to play it with friends, you need to actually create a server that your friends can join with. First thing, what is Prominence 2 RPG? It's actually something like a historian era world building with combat and magic system, and as you can see, it's optimized for servers with easy setup. First thing, install Prominence 2 on your Minecraft server. Log into your control panel on your Minecraft and then select the modpacks option and search for Prominence 2. Here it is right here, head over and click on install. Once you have installed this, head over and install your Curse Forge, download it as standalone or on Overwolf. Then from in there, just browse and install the Prominence 2 from there as well. So if you can actually do it, you can just head over and then create a server through that. And you can share those servers to your friends so you can play with them with this in this actual game. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.